night we were playing at this high school, and these kids, you can't fake it with kids, man. You gotta bring your A game. And these kids were like, take us back to the 90s. We want a 90s R&B song, or we're gonna tell everybody you suck. And I was like, dang, kids are violent these days.
What happened, somebody videoed it, and it got back to a record label, and it got back to this guy in Atlanta named Dallas Austin. He ended up calling my brother and says he wants to do a country version of this song for us and wants to produce it. He is the producer of this song.
Don't tell him anything else.
Alright? He produced the group, and a lot of others too, so check it out.
Lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at her son, she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how, under the body laying cold in the gut. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Oh yeah. Little Precious has a natural obsession, full temptation, but he just can't see.
He's so blind, baby.
She gives him loving that his body can't handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own back.
Who's out in the middle, baby?
His health is fading and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. Providence, let's sing it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. They stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. I wanna hear it, come on, sing it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. Yeah, baby. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Here we go. One more time, everybody. 2, 3, 6. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Oh yeah. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms, and then the see-through patch blew me away.